First up, spicy honey butter chicken with corn skillet. This one's all about juicy chicken strips glazed in buttery honey magic with a sweet little kick. Take 1 pound of chicken tenders and slice them into strips for quick cooking. Season generously with 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, plus salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons butter in a skillet until it foams. Then add the chicken. The moment it hits the pan, you'll hear that sizzle. Edges curling, butter turning nutty. The smell's so rich, it almost feels unfair for a weeknight dinner. Let the chicken caramelize for 2 minutes without touching it. Then flip each strip so the other side can sear. And now, here's the magic moment. While the chicken is still in the skillet, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of honey right over the meat. The honey hits the hot butter, bubbling instantly, and together they create a sticky glaze that clings to every piece of chicken. Toss the strips gently so they're fully coated. Then add in 1 cup of frozen corn straight into the skillet, letting it char slightly in that sweet and spicy sauce. Dinner done in 15 minutes flat. Serve with warm tortillas, fluffy rice, or even over a crisp salad. Pro tip: let the chicken rest off the heat for just 2 minutes. The glaze thickens and clings even better. Swap alert: don't love spice? Use smoked paprika instead. Want more kick? Add a pinch of cayenne. Would you serve this with tortillas or rice? Drop your answer in the comments. Now let's make creamy Dijon chicken with sweet red bell peppers and tender carrots. Take 2 chicken breasts and pound them slightly so they cook fast and evenly. Season simply with salt and pepper. Sear them in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 3 minutes per side until golden and juicy. Remove them to a plate. Into the same pan, whisk together 1/2 cup chicken broth, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt for a lighter creaminess or coconut cream if you prefer dairy-free, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. The sauce instantly turns silky, tangy and fragrant. Now, add in thinly sliced red bell peppers and carrots right into the sauce. Their bright colors soften as they simmer, bringing sweetness and vibrancy to the dish. Return the chicken and let it nestle into the golden Dijon cream. Spoon the sauce over the chicken, letting the peppers and carrots peek through. Just before serving, sprinkle over a handful of freshly chopped parsley to add a burst of freshness and a pop of green. Suddenly, you've got a dinner that feels like it came straight out of a French bistro. Pair it with garlic mashed potatoes or warm crusty bread to mop up every drop. Curious, do you like your Dijon sauces bold and tangy or light and creamy? Third, teriyaki chicken lettuce wraps. Dice 1 pound of chicken thighs into small chunks so they cook lightning fast. Season lightly with salt, black pepper, a touch of garlic powder and ground ginger. This gives the meat a warm, savory backbone before the sauce even goes in. Heat 1 tablespoon sesame oil in a wok and stir-fry the seasoned chicken chunks until golden brown, about 5 minutes. Pour in 1/3 cup teriyaki sauce. Watch as it bubbles, thickens, and turns glossy, coating every single bite. Pantry swap tip: if you don't have teriyaki sauce on hand, whisk together a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, and a splash of rice vinegar for that same sweet savory balance. Toss in shredded carrots, sliced scallions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. The carrots add crunch, the scallions add freshness, and the sesame seeds make it nutty and fragrant. Scoop the sticky chicken into crisp lettuce leaves. Add a squeeze of lime for brightness, and dinner is ready. It's crunchy, juicy, sweet savory, and unbelievably fresh. Swap idea: if you want something heartier, skip the lettuce and use warm tortillas or spoon the teriyaki chicken over fluffy rice bowls. Both are delicious and filling options. Meal prep tip: make a double batch of the filling and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Just reheat and spoon into lettuce, tortillas, or rice bowls whenever hunger strikes. Quick question for you: do you like lettuce wraps better with chicken, beef, or tofu? I'd love to hear what you'd pick. Next, cheesy spinach stuffed chicken roll-ups. Take 2 thin chicken cutlets, then spread each with a filling of 1/2 cup cream cheese, a 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella, and 1/2 cup chopped spinach. Roll them up. Secure with a toothpick or kitchen twine. Season the outside with paprika and garlic powder. Then sear in 1 tablespoon butter until golden. Splash in a 1/4 cup chicken broth. Cover and steam for 5 minutes. Slice into spirals, and watch the melted cheese ooze out while the green spinach peeks through. It looks gourmet, but takes less time than boiling pasta water. No cream cheese. Use ricotta, or even cottage cheese for a protein-packed filling. Sauce idea. Spoon a little marinara, or garlic cream sauce over the spirals for extra indulgence. Pairing. Serve with buttered noodles or a crisp garden salad. Would you make this for family or for guests? Finally, buffalo chicken flatbread pizzas. Shred 2 cups cooked chicken. Rotisserie works beautifully when you're in a rush. Toss it with a 1/4 cup buffalo sauce until every strand is coated. Spread ranch or blue cheese dressing over store-bought flatbreads. Scatter the buffalo chicken. Sprinkle with 1 cup mozzarella and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes until the cheese bubbles and the edges crisp. Top with chopped celery for crunch and a drizzle of extra buffalo sauce for drama. Cut into wedges and serve. Brushing the flatbread with olive oil before baking makes the crust extra crisp. Don't like buffalo? Try barbecue sauce and cheddar for a smoky twist. Serve with iced tea or lemonade to cool down the heat. Are you team ranch or team blue cheese? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below with which recipe you'll try first. See you in the next fun food story.